In this video, let me teach you how to transfer PayPal balance to your card. Welcome back to a new video on Halgenic. In order to get started, you need to first of all link a card so that you can transfer your balance of your PayPal to any of your cards. To do that, you'll need to click on link a card that you see on the home page. If you don't, you'll need to click on the wallet option and there you'll have the option called link a card. Just click on this link a card option. Type in your card details such as your card number, your expiration date, your CVV or the security code, and your billing address. Your billing address will be automatically added in if you had added in previously, and then click on link a card. Once the card now has been linked, under the wallet section, you'll be able to see the option called transfer. That way you'll be able to transfer any balance that is available on your PayPal wallet to the card that you just linked to. Now I have not linked any card on this account, so I do not see any of those options. But if you have linked a card right now, you'll be able to see the option called transfer, where you'll be able to transfer all of your PayPal balance to the card that you've added in. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos similar to this.